What are you looking at? You're looking at some patchwork I did here. I did a whole bunch of stucco repair, and really on the back side of this house, the house has been bolted to the foundation quite some time ago. But we get so much earthquake stuff here that houses move. And I come back here, I don't know, a couple months ago, and I noticed at the foundation there was a lot of cracking, and the block work itself, a lot of the mortar had fallen out, and then a lot of the stucco had been broken away. So I'll insert a couple snapshots right here. And yeah, so I went ahead and patched all this up. I'm not saying it's the best ever, but I did a pretty decent job of it. All in here, up in the corner. And the pictures you just saw were big holes that were right here. All right. So that was a big hole right here where that drain was. There was a big hole here, and I think the snapshot you saw there was after I'd already started putting I packed a lot of mortar in there. But I'll show you a couple more spots here around the house. So this whole area here was just falling off the walls. It was just coming apart. There was a lot of cracks all up in here, and I'll show you those images right now. So that came out pretty good. And then the wall here, this cracks a lot. When they did the wall, I mentioned it in some other videos, they never filled the wall or used rebar in there or anything else. So this separates here a lot, separates over here a lot. And I'll show you the outside of it. So this was two big deep cracks, totally separated. You could see all the way through the wall. That's all fixed now. This same here, but this is going to crack again. So don't get too excited about it. It happens pretty frequently. And we'll walk around to the front of the house here. Okay, so here we are at the front door, and I had to patch all of this. This was completely gone. And there was a whole lot of cracking all across the bottom here, up in the corners of this window on both sides, back in here. And of course, this was really bad. This was completely caved in on itself, and there was no framing left in there. So I used 2x8s that I ripped down of pressure-treated lumber and created a wall, and then re-stuccoed this, patched it with mortar first. It came out great. And of course we had a big crack here. I'll pause this really quick and show you some snapshots. So you guys can see what it was. And then this whole spot out here as well was totally separated and busted, and now it doesn't even look like it ever happened. All right, so that's that. It was just a quick update on this. I feel you guys appreciate it. I've been working on this house since I think 98, 99, something like that. Excuse me, that's about the time these guys bought it. And I did a lot of work on this house, including this pergola here. I'm gonna have to replace that beam that's rotting out up there. There's just a lot of stuff, and just done a ton of work here, including this gate. You guys have seen this before. I just recently refinished that. It's just I got busy on other stuff. It's not like I can just stay here working all the time, you know. But this is a good example of what used to happen to me a lot back in the old days, where I'd get a client, it still happens, and then you do something for them and they're so happy they keep asking you to do things. And you know, if they're going to pay you well, you know, why wouldn't you do it if you have those skills? Don't ask me to do this for you, I won't do it. And with these people, I don't even like charging them anything, so I charge them very little. I give them a really good break, And keep in mind too, yeah, I mean, I'm older. I can't work that hard. It's not like I can put in 8 hours of hardcore working. I mean, it took me 3 weeks to get this stuff done, and I now have to go back and I have to clean up around the windows. And I already needed to paint like around this window here. All the paint that's peeling there, so I'll do that. And I have to touch up some of the sills that I had re-coated a while ago, and then that'll be finished. And I'll probably get that stuff done this week. But again, just a quick update for you guys because I know you're curious. I'll catch you in the next one. Be good to one another.